Using your CORA split system controller is easy. Its user-friendly functions enhances your home comfort so you can enjoy the Daikin lifestyle. The on-off button is located in the middle of the controller. Simply press the round button once to start or switch off the unit. The powerful operation button boosts power to maximum capacity for a 20-minute duration to heat or cool the room quickly. To use this function, press to activate. The fan button controls the speed of your fan. To adjust the speed, simply press and select a speed ranging from high to low. When the airflow is set to indoor quiet operation mode, the airflow rate is set to a weak level, so noise from the indoor unit will become quieter. To change the temperature, use the temp arrows to raise or lower the room temperature that you desire. Under the sliding panel of the controller, there are many more functions. Simply slide the panel down to access. Press the Mode function to select the operation you need. On Auto Mode, the system selects an appropriate operation mode based on the room's condition at regular intervals. Dry Mode eliminates humidity in the room whilst maintaining the temperature. Select Cool Mode when you want to cool the room, and Heat Mode to heat. The Fan Mode is for when you only want a nice breeze in the room. Econo Mode enables the unit to operate efficiently by limiting the unit's power consumption. It's useful when using the air conditioner and other electrical devices simultaneously on a shared electrical circuit. Next to the Econo Mode is the Outdoor Unit Quiet operation. This operation lowers the noise level of the outdoor unit and is useful when you don't want to disturb your neighbours. The Comfort function on Cooling Mode prevents cool air from blowing directly onto you. On Heating Mode, the louvers turn vertically downwards to drive warm air to the bottom of the room. Press this button to activate. To turn on the two-area Intelligent Eye function, press the Sensor button. The Intelligent Eye detects human movement, and if no one is in the room for more than 20 minutes, the unit goes into energy-saving mode. It also adjusts airflow direction either towards or away from occupants in the room. Select and press the button once more to cancel the operation. The swing buttons adjust the airflow direction. Simply press the horizontal or vertical option for the chosen airflow direction. To keep the air flowing at a set position, once the desired position of the louvers is reached, press the button again to lock it in. To select a time to automatically switch on your unit, press the On button and use the select arrows until the preferred time is on screen, then press the On button again. To cancel the operation, press Cancel. To select a time to automatically switch off your unit, press the Off button and use the select arrows until the desired time is on screen, then press the Off button again. To cancel the operation, press Cancel. The weekly timer operation allows you to schedule up to 4 timer settings for each day of the week. Press the Program button followed by the Select button to select the day of the week and reservation number, ranging from 1 to 4, followed by Next. Press Select to choose the mode and change the on or off setting in sequence. Press Next again to confirm the mode. Press Select to designate a time, followed by Next to confirm. Finally, press Select to choose the temperature, followed by Next. To complete, press the Program button. Repeat these steps to schedule a timer setting for other days of the week as needed. To delete individual timer reservations, press the Program button. The day of the week and then the reservation number will be displayed. Press Select to choose the day of the week and the reservation number to be deleted. Press Next, and the weekly plus the On or Off button will blink. Press Select until neither On or Off is displayed, and it will cancel any reservation you may have on this reservation number. Press Next, and the reservation is deleted. To delete timer reservation for entire days of the week, press the Program button followed by the Select button to select a particular day of the week to be deleted. Once the day of the week has been selected, hold the Weekly button for 5 seconds, and all of the reservations for that day of the week will be deleted. To delete all reservations, press and hold the Weekly button for 5 seconds. Be sure to direct the remote controller towards the unit and check for a receiving tone. If there is a tone, all reservations have been deleted. For more information, please consult your manual or contact our customer service line on 1300 368 300.